Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I will show you how to install Issabel for a 5 on VMware ESXi from scratch. Whether you're a beginner in VoIP, IP telephony, or PBX administration, this step-by-step guide will help you deploy your own Issabel server quickly and correctly. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to install Issabel for a 5. Configure a static IP address. Access the Issabel web interface. Verify that all services are running properly. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's briefly understand what Issabel is. Issabel is a powerful open-source unified communications platform based on Asterisk. It provides PBX, VoIP, call center, conferencing, IVR, call recording, and many other enterprise telephony features. Many organizations use Issabel as a cost-effective alternative to expensive commercial PBX systems. In this tutorial, we will install Issabel 4 on VMware ESXi. After the VM starts, you'll see the Issabel installation menu. Select Install Issabel and press Enter. The Linux installer will begin loading. After a few moments, the installation wizard appears. Select your preferred language. I will choose English. Click Continue. Now we need to configure a few installation settings. First, open date and time. Select your time zone. Next, open installation destination. Select the virtual disk that we created earlier. Click Done. Everything is now ready. Click Begin Installation. The installation process will start. While the installation is running, we need to configure the root password. Click Root Password. Enter a strong password. For example, admin at 123 for 5. Confirm the password and click Done. Now wait for the installation to complete. This may take several minutes depending on your server performance. Once installation is completed, click Reboot. Before rebooting, disconnect the ISO file from the virtual CD or DVD drive. This prevents the installer from loading again. The system will restart and boot into Issabel. After booting, you will see the login prompt. Log in as root using the password you created earlier. To check the current IP address, you will see the assigned IP address. Open a web browser. Enter the Issabel server IP address. Press Enter. The Issabel login page should appear. Congratulations! Your PBX server is now accessible from the network. Enter your administrator credentials. Click Login. You will now see the Issabel dashboard. From here, you can manage extensions, trunks, IVR, call recording, reports, call center features, and many other PBX functions. That's it for today's tutorial. We successfully installed Issabel 4 on VMware ESXi and completed the initial configuration. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials on VMware, Windows Server, Active Directory, networking, and VoIP. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.